Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to replicate a campaign in MailChimp. This is MailChimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password. To replicate a campaign in MailChimp, just click on this All Campaigns from this left side menu, and these are all the campaigns available in your account. These are all drafts, and let's see the second page. I have campaigns with different status. As you can see, this is an active campaign, and to replicate it, it's simple. Just click on this down arrow and select replicate. You can use the current audience for the replicated classic automation or choose a new one. Let's click on continue. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my MailChimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your MailChimp account, how to manage your audience inside MailChimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is the replicated or the copy of my original campaign. Let's see how to replicate a regular email. Next to a regular email, just click on the same down arrow and click on replicate. And this is the copy of the original regular campaign. And this is how to replicate a campaign in MailChimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.